So, bukas ay pupunta tayo ng Supreme Court. 'Di ba? Dadalhin ko yung mga mga copies ng Xerox copies. Ano ba yan sinasabi ko? Xerox copies ng mga garnish court ruling, no? Ano to? All over the country to no? Yan. Anyway, random copies naman ito. Hindi natin po pwedeng masubmit yung 100,000 na court rulings na buong Pilipinas. I think okay na rin to. Kasi humihingi ng kopya yung Supreme Court, no? Actually, ito yung letter sa akin ni Attorney Mel Christopher Lantion, Supreme Court Senior Chief Staff Officer, Office of Court Administrator Maria Teresa Dolores C. Gomez Estuesta, Supreme Court of the Philippines. Ito yung ano nila sa akin, This is concerning your respective letters to the Honorable Chief Justice regarding the court's garnishment of public school teacher salaries. To clarify the issues brought up, ito galing to ng Supreme Court, and to enable a more informed examination of the concerns in hand, may we kindly ask specific. Specifics. Kaya sabi na copy, dinamihan ko na copies na inilagay ko, no? So, bahala na si Attorney Mel Christopher Lantion. Ayun, ito yung transmittal natin, no? Tapos, i-attach ko rin yung yung unang letter natin. Di ba? Yung unang letter natin, kasi nandun na yung, yung purpose. Kung bakit gusto natin, nandun na Napaliwanag na natin doon sa unang letter natin, di ba? Nandun yun It's there already, no? Ba? I-attach ko yun. Tapos, ito yung ating transmittal. Ang sabi ko rito, heading niya, Honorable Alexander G. Jesmundo, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Tapos, attention, Attorney Mel Christopher Lantion, so and so forth. Tapos, Dear Chief Justice, this is in response to your email to us requesting copy of the specific decision referred to in our first letter submitted last March, April, May. So magto 2 months na pala, 3 months, no? I have attached here with random copies of the court decision of garnishment nationwide by our public school teachers. Thank you very much. Respectfully yours, Perazim kasi ako Bong Ardanog, Principal Court, at nilagay ko number ko. Andun nila yung aking Gmail, no? So, ganun lang yan, So, bukas, ito yung dadali natin sa Supreme Court.